guys, it's Vaishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, this video is about DIY coasters. Let's get started with this felt leaf coaster DIY. So first we need to draw a leaf pattern on paper. We will use this paper cutting to cut leaf. As you can see, we need 2 layers of felt for one leaf coaster. So fold the felt, draw a leaf pattern on it and cut it down. Now take a piece of thread with a knot at the back and we'll take these two pieces of fabric together and push the needle between the two. So as you see, the knot is in the center, so it's hidden. Now go through both the layers of fabric with needle and come out. Make sure your needle go through the thread like this. So the stitch pattern that we are using here is a blanket stitch, and we will cover the edges of the leaf with this blanket stitch pattern. At this point here I'm attaching a piece of ribbon. This piece of ribbon is just to hang your coasters when they are not in use. Guys, blanket stitch is a really pretty stitch. It is used to have a really nice edging. Now I am drawing leaf veins here, and we will be using the simple running stitch pattern to make its veins. So guys, here is this easy felt leaf coaster. I hope this DIY was easy for you, because all you need to do is use two simple stitches. One is blanket stitch and the other is the simple running stitch, and that is it. So I must say this is gonna brighten up your kitchen or dining room, and the colors are really cute, and these are really useful accessories for your kitchen, for your dining, and for a coffee table. And one more thing is you can make a great housewarming gift too. Let's check out how to make this felt apple coaster. For this again we need to draw apple on paper first. Here as you can see, there are 3 different paper cuttings, and these all cuttings need to be cut on different colors of felt. So these are the different felt cuttings we need. Just make sure to take 2 layers of felt before cutting the shapes. Now I am using blanket stitch pattern to cover the edges of the apple leaf. For the stem part, I am using simple running stitch. Now we need to arrange these pieces between felt like this. Here I am using white embroidery thread with a knot at the back. Take all these pieces together and with a small running stitch pattern we'll cover its edges. Here as you see that I'm hand stitching this coaster. If you want you can use sewing machine, but the thread that we are using here is an embroidery thread, and embroidery actually looks good. So I must say, or I would recommend to hand stitch this. No fancy stitches or skills required to make these beautiful coasters. I just love the way they look all together, so fresh and bright. You can use these to teach your kids about different patterns also. So this project is the super simple project. So here is what you will need: a cork coaster, pom-pom balls, 90 to 100 per coaster depending on the size of the coaster you are taking, and a glue. I'm using a hot glue gun here. Begin by gluing pom-pom balls to the corner of your coaster. Just put the glue directly onto the cork. I'm using hot glue here, which dries so quickly. If you use normal glue, you need to keep the pom-pom balls as tight as possible. So you need to allow the glue to dry. Here, as you can see, that I'm using these 2-3 colors. If you want, you can use any single colors of pom-pom or make colorful patterns also. So just continue working all the way around until your coaster is completely covered. After everything is dry, your coaster is ready to use. What is better than a cute personalized gift, isn't it? The beauty of this project is there is no hard and fast recipe. So it's great for letting kids put into the creativity and imaginations to use. So simple, and even little ones will enjoy crafting these. All you need to do is just start with an expensive cork coaster from the craft store and use glue to cover them with colorful pom-pom balls until the cork is no longer visible. It's really a fun to make and use. And the end product is really spectacular. The coasters are so unique and colorful. Clearly a perfect addition to your coffee space. Let's quickly check out this hemp coaster DIY. What you'll need for this DIY is hemp cord, or you can say the jute thread, cork coaster or cork sheet, and hot glue gun, and a decorative lace. So let's check out the procedure. The procedure is very simple. All you need to do is just take a hemp cord and start gluing it down in a small section. And do not forget to start from the outer edge of the circle to the middle. So once you get to the middle, snip the cord with scissors and stick the last piece in. And one more thing, that take your time and lay the cord onto the cork neatly and tightly so that you don't see the glue or any gaps. I'm measuring a lace which has beads like this. We'll stick this lace to the corners of the cork coaster. So here is your beautiful hemp coaster ready. Among all these coasters DIY, I'm sure that there is one here that is perfect for you. One that fits your style and personality. So make some for yourself, and I'm sure the kids would love to help out, or you can make some for your family and friends. These would be a great gift for anyone on your list. They look great under the plants too. So grab a cup of something yummy and take a peek. Don't forget to use coasters. And for this crochet edging DIY coaster tutorial, check out my next video. There you will get to learn its detailed process. So this is it for today's video. If you like this DIY, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Comment and subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.